Today we are looking at the boAt Stone Arc Pro Plus. It is marketed as a party-friendly Bluetooth speaker that promises powerful audio, RGB lighting and long-lasting battery life. It is priced at Rs 4500. But how well does it perform in real-world use? Let's find out. Hey guys, I am Dipankar back with another video. Today we have the boAt Stone Arc Pro Plus. Before I talk about the speaker, let me show you the quick unboxing and the inbox content. The Stone Arc Pro Plus comes with a slightly flattened cylindrical design. This shape not only gives it a modern look, but also ensures that it sits firmly on flat surfaces. The body is wrapped in a durable fabric mesh that feels premium to touch, while also protecting the internal driver from dust and minor bumps. At the front, there is a vertical RGB LED strip that instantly catches attention. It pulses and changes colors with the music, giving a lively vibe, especially in the dark rooms or party setups. On one side, you will find vertically aligned buttons for power, volume, playback, and mode switching. They are clearly marked, tactile, and easy to reach. Just below these buttons, a cover hides the aux port and USB port. A subtle handle on the top makes it portable, and the base is rubberized to prevent slipping. The speaker also comes with an IPX5 water resistance rating, so splashes or light rain are not a problem. You can carry it to your poolside parties. The Stone Arc Pro Plus packs a massive 78mm driver that delivers 45 watts of boAt signature sound. The sound is dynamic, full and easily fills small to medium sized spaces. With spatial audio support, it feels wider and more immersive, creating a more cinematic listening experience. The tuning leans slightly towards bass, giving tracks a warm and punchy character. But since it does not use passive radiator, the low end impact is controlled rather than deep. It is enjoyable for casual EDM, hip hop and pop listening, but people who prefer bass heavy performance may find it unsatisfying, especially considering the Rs 4500 price tag. Vocals remain clear, instruments sound natural, and the mids hold up even at higher volumes. Highs are crisp and detailed, adding sparkle without becoming harsh. Overall, the speaker delivers a clean and balanced sound that works well for long listening sessions. For bigger coverage, boAt also includes broadcast mode, which lets you connect multiple units together. This is perfect for outdoor gatherings or creating a wider stereo effect indoors. One thing I noticed while testing is the volume curve. From 0 to 40%, the speaker sounds really quiet, almost too low for normal listening. The real punch comes after you cross the halfway mark. This happens because the speaker does not increase volume in a straight line. The lower range is meant for background listening and saving battery, while most of the loudness is packed into the higher half. That's why you will feel sudden jump because the volume steps are unevenly distributed. The speaker uses the latest Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable and lag-free connections. There is also an aux input for wired playback. It includes an integrated microphone for hands-free calls. Call quality is basic and not great for long conversations, but it works fine for quickly attending short calls when your phone is not nearby. In terms of battery life, the Stone Arc Pro Plus can last up to 10 hours at around 60% volume. If you push it to full volume, playback drops to about 6 hours. That is still good enough for most casual gatherings or evening parties. It packs a 4000 mAh battery that takes around 4.5 hours to charge. So should you buy the boAt Stone Arc Pro Plus? It combines a stylish design, RGB lighting, IPX5 water resistance, strong 45 watt output and practical features like broadcast mode. The bass is not just thumping, but it is clean and enjoyable. Most people will find the sound enjoyable, but if you love deep bass, it might feel a little underwhelming for the price. At its price, this speaker is good option if you want a portable party-friendly speaker with punchy sound and cool lighting. But if you are looking for deep bass for heavy party music, it may not fully satisfy. That's it for this video. Make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching.